Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before we even start this video. So I picked this mascara up from the Dollar Tree store. It's a colorful one, it's purple. You'll see my first impression of it, so let's get started. Hey guys, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using this colored purple mascara. I picked it up from the Dollar Tree store. It was only $1. It's called Diva Lash, and the color is Madagascar, I think, which is purple. It's made by SinfulColors, and I'll insert a picture at the very end of the video. I've never used this. This is my first time, so a friend told me about it, so I went to the dollar store, picked it up. I did a different look today with my MAC makeup. I did a video on it yesterday. I will try to link it down below, but if it doesn't show up, hop on over to there and check it out. It's MAC makeup pink palette. So it turned out pretty good, and I am so close to 10,000 views, so thank you for all of you views, but keep them coming because I want to do it by June 21st to get 10,000 views. So June 21st is this Friday, so it's a very special and hard day for me and my family members. So the reason why I picked that day, or that's the reason why I picked that day, but that's beside this video. So this is what it comes like out of the package. I opened it up. That's what it says. I'm gonna unscrew it and go like this, pump it a little bit. Oh my gosh, like that is purple, guys. I'm already loving it. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess, just like the Maybelline, I couldn't think of it, Great Lash. I do this with all of my videos. If I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So I am going to, wow, that is purple. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna add a little bit more because it is light. So I just stuck it back in and twirled it around like that. This is like really pretty, but it is light, so I don't know if it works really well on my eyes or not. I might have to add some in there, and I do have vitiligo, so that's why I have white lashes and gray hair, because that's part of the disease, I guess. I've had it since I was a little girl. So, and now that gray hair is in, I don't know why. Like, I would never pay to dye my hair gray. So now I'm just gonna go on the bottom and see, like, that's very light. So I didn't even dip it back in because I find that it works very well. I don't know if this one really works for my eyes or not, but it's very pretty. It kind of looks good. I mean, for $1, guys, like, I would go to the Dollar Tree store and test it out. It's only $1. So, I thought it would be really pretty. once again. I am going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to add my Maybelline over top. See, like, it is very purple. Like, it turned out really pretty, but I'm looking in the mirror, so it kind of looks different, but that's how it is. But I'm gonna try to add some of my mascara by Maybelline. I'll be right back. So while I was off camera, I added a little bit more of this purple mascara. As you can tell, you can totally see that it is purple, but I think I just need a darker color. So I'm going to add my Great Lash very black to it to see what happens. So, sorry, I had to itch on my nose. So I'm just gonna unscrew it like this, pull it out just like normal. And I did a video on Maybelline Great Lash if you want to hop on over there, or I'll try to link it down below. So, here I go. I don't know. That mascara made my eyes clump. Yeah, I don't know. I probably won't get it again. It was a one-time thing only. Cause now, look at my eyelash, like, it's kind of split in two. I don't know if you see that. I'll hold the camera up so that you can see. It doesn't look bad, but yeah, I don't know. It was only $1. I'm glad it's $1. I wouldn't get it again. If you guys recommend some other ones, then comment them down below. If you have any tricks, comments, put them. Like, that mascara totally messed up my eyes. It's not good. I just want to throw it in the trash, guys. Like, I had to do my mascara like pretty much all over again because that mascara did not work, and it clumped my eyes together after I put the Maybelline on. But you can still tell there is a little purple in it. But yeah, so I will come back with the end result on this mascara. Okay guys, so before I do the end result of this mascara, colorful purple mascara, Madagascar, I don't know what it's called, but I put the purple on like in the previous, and then I put my Maybelline, so I'm gonna try again this purple one and put it over top and see like how it turns out, because like it didn't turn out very good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's still not working. So I am going to come back with the end result. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this purple mascara I got from the Dollar Tree store. Like you have seen, like in the previous slides, I had so much trouble with this mascara. I would never pay like $9, $10, even $5, $6. I would never pay, you know, that much for this. I don't recommend it. You guys can try it if you want and tell me what you think down in the comment box down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.